Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you can hear me okay. I am recording on a new screen, a new system. I have got a computer desktop now, so I'm so excited about that. It's not new, but it's new to me, of course. It was like $150 instead of retail price for $300 because I bought it from somebody. So today I'm making a video about this right here. This is Paisley's. Sorry, I just woke up. This is Paisley's garage sale. So we're going to take a look at all the great 50% off stuff and the other items that are on sale and everything that is going to be discontinued. So I'm going to go in here to a consultant order. Let's check this out. All right, so let's first look at the holiday items. We're going to show you all the stuff that is on sale. This is all, of course, consultant prices. So if you are watching this, please be a consultant or be someone who is considering joining as a consultant, because these are not customer prices. These are the prices that I pay for items. So these are not in stock, obviously. Evergreen Shade is $19.25. That's out of stock. This Feliz Navidad Christmas is $18.48. It's $12.94. Ooh, that one's $27.72. That one's a cute little accent shade. So here's the holiday items. I'll just let y'all look at them and read your own prices. This Letters to Santa mailbox is $50.05, and it was $65 as a consultant price. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this Snowflake Simmering Light, I like this because this already has decorations on it, which means that you could either leave it without the shade or with the shade, and it still looks like a great Christmas item. This is $23.87. It was $31. So let's check out the other sales. Let's go to specials and then sales. All right. So here's some more sales. These are miscellaneous items. We've got a bottle of soaps that are $7.51. Wow, instead of $13, that's a good price right there. I wish I could pay for that right now, but I'm solid broke. I have no money, guys. I have nothing. I'm not even broke. I'm in debt, which is horrible. Okay, this is only $5.20 for that jar, and it's usually $9, of course. Oh, that's the customer price. Because, oh, I'm just noticing. Well, why is that right there, the customer price? Because that's not how much we pay for Pink Zebra. Did I go into consultant? Yeah, I went into consultant order. Pink Zebra jars for consultants are only $6.93 a piece, but this one's down to $5.20. Candy corn is already sold out. Citrus and Sage is down. It looks like all of these are going to be $5.20 instead of $6.93. It looks like all the soaps that are being discontinued is $7.51. And then we've got cranberry chutney, fairy tale pumpkin. Oh, gift tag hang-its. Wow. Huh. Didn't notice those. I didn't know we had those. Some jewelry, $20.48 for that. That's pretty neat. That's a shade. Wow. The homemade gingerbread. I don't really like that scent. It's just too gingerbready for me. Like, it's so strong. Oh my god. The honey and spice is on sale. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm just so sleepy. Oh, this one's only $4.62. This ice skate hang it. That's so cute to put in your car. This one is a really good scent. I really need to buy that one. And this one, the maple pumpkin. I had a lot of people buy maple pumpkin for me. If you happen to be someone who is not a consultant and someone who is just interested in Pink Zebra and learning more, make sure you head on over to www.jennysprinkles.com. That is just going to be my YouTube a channel name and then a .com. And once you're there, if you would like a free sample of Pink Zebra, I would be more than happy to send you one. And if you are not just looking to buy Pink Zebra, if you're looking to do what I do, work for Pink Zebra and get to sell all of these great items, I can send you what I call a Think About It packet, which is going to be a packet showing you more about what you do as a consultant and how much you make and stuff like that. So be sure to head on over to my website, www.jennysprinkles.com, and fill out a sample request form. So Mistletoe Kiss is on sale. Mulberry Pucker, they're getting rid of it again. Oh, this is one of my top 3. My top one is Amaretto Cream, Mulberry Pucker, and Grape Popsicle. So this is like definitely my second favorite smell. Oh, the orange warming shade is $6.93. I've never seen the orange before, so that one's pretty cute. Pink Carnation's on sale. Pumpkin Bread's on sale. Rustling Leaves Soaks is on sale. The Rustling Leaves jar is on sale as well. We've got some more jewelry on sale. And let's see. Tropical Rainforest. I didn't even know they had that no more. I thought it was completely gone. Winter Woods, and that's it. So let's check out the other stuff. Let's check out the clearance items if they have any. So that is it for the sales of what's left for the Pink Zebra garage sale. So let's look at the outlet store and go to clearance. Okay, so these are all the items that are on clearance. We've had this for forever. Like, I think whenever I first started Pink Zebra, they still had this. And I started in August 2016, so. Yeah, so that's it. Let me just check real quick on the printed materials, see if they have any new catalogs in. No, they still have this 2017 catalogs in. So, obviously they haven't changed that yet. I don't understand why they would do that, like, oh, that just makes no sense. Like, it's almost February and they still don't have the new catalogs in. Like, just go ahead and put it online so we can buy it early. Oh, that makes me so angry. Sorry. Alright, so if you don't know, you can go here to the printed materials and you can go to Pink Zebra gift bags. You can buy those $7 for a pack of 6. These are $15 for a pack of 50. They have new purse brochures. I didn't know that. These are $5. These are $6. These are great for your actual, like, for your purse. Like, they will fit in your purse. They are about a woman's wallet size in length. All right, one more thing I'm going to show you is our printed materials website. It's townandcountryprinting.com. If you don't know, already know this. If you do know this, then please disregard this. I'm just showing this for consultants who aren't really aware of this. You just go to townandcountryprinting.com. Right here, it always says this. I don't know. They've said that there was going to get a new website from friggin' 2016, and they still haven't done it. So what you do is you just go to order online, and then you just type in Pink Zebra, because that is the company that you're buying from. They do have stuff like Avon too, so if you saw Avon, you could look that up. I don't know if they do Perfectly Posh. I'm thinking about joining Perfectly Posh, just so I can use some of their lotions myself. Okay, so here is the Pink Zebra print and promo store. So let's just go ahead and check out their business cards, because that's the main thing you want to buy from here. They have amazing business cards. Wow, it looks like they got rid of some of them. Let's just take a look at this one. Nice pink polka dots. That's really cute. I like that. It's pretty basic. I like that. These are the ones that I have. Let me show you. No, not these. These are the ones that I have. It was $250 for a, it was $9 for a pack of 250, so it was great. Let's go to, let's check out memo pads. Oh, they've got the burlap one. That's pretty cool. And let's see, we've got labels. You can get your own labels printed here for putting on your catalogs if you don't like to, you know, build it yourself. But you can also go to Avery and make these yourself. I would just like to get a stamper myself because a stamper seems like it'd be much easier. You can get a stamp like this to just stamp your address. It's neat, isn't it? And we've got, let's see. Oh God, I'm so sleepy. The banners. I really like this one, especially for going to parties. And then there's the vertical one, but if you get the vertical one, the only thing about that is you have to also buy the stand unless you can find a stand that exactly fits that, like from Amazon or something. Alright, so there was the Pink Zebra garage sale. You know, if you go to the I thought these were scents that they were getting rid of. They're not. I guess these are all the ones that they're keeping. That doesn't make any sense. That makes no logical sense. I guess those are just the ones that are on sale. So yeah, that was the Pink Zebra garage sale. That's available until hold on, let me check real quick. Just go to pinkzebra.com. I love this computer. It's so fast. It's so much faster than my laptop. Alright. It looks like it ends on the 25th, so that is 5 days away from now. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to comment down below if there's any videos of Pink Zebra that you want to see. If you want me to do a live party video or anything like that, let me know in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos like this. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.